this video, just hit that thumbs up button down below. Also, you can hit the subscribe button to join the family and hit the little notification bell next to it to be notified of any new videos.
Hi and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today we are making some cards and we are going to show you how to do it. And here's just 2 examples of what I can make, and I hope you enjoy this video. So for today's craft, you're going to need a blank card. You can have whatever colour you want. I'm using white, but I also have red and green. You're also going to need multiple different pieces of paper, all different sizes. You're going to need a pair of scissors. If you want, you can use some decorative scissors. You're going to need lots of different inks and some stamps with a stamping pad, and you're going to need some kind of glue. This is the one I've been using so far, and honestly these are the best thing I've ever bought, and they just make everything so much easier. So that's what you're going to need for this craft. You could also use embellishments, different types of embellishment, which I might decide to use. I make some of my own, as you can see here. I make some of my own from my Cuttlebug. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your card is the right way up. I think I'm going to have this one opening upwards for a change. Next you're going to take your background colour. Now this is my background colour sheet. Your whole point with card making is layering. Layering makes the card look 100 times better. Also the embellishments help as well. I do a lot of layering, different colour paper layers, and I just find it really works. And the first thing I'm going to use before I put that on is I'm just going to go around the edge of the card with my ink pad and just brush the edges of the card like this. And I just think it really adds to the entire card overall look. So next you're going to take your sticky roller. You're going to push your card to the side a little bit, make sure it's up the right way so you know which way you're using it. And you're going to use your sticky roller to stick all the edges. And then you're going to take it and just place it down dead centre of the card, and you can see now that the gold edging is outlining the piece of paper. Next I'm going to use this little sheet of card and I'm going to offset it slightly upwards. Now, like I said, we're going to offset this just to the top of the page, like so. I have this piece of paper. Now I want to put a border on this again with the gold, just to add to it a little bit. As you can see, it just adds that little bit of a shimmer to the outside, and it just makes a massive difference. So I'm going to take it away from there because I don't want it to smudge on there. And I'm going to offset this again slightly upwards, like so. I don't want it all down the bottom or dead centre. I want to add a little bit of character to the card. Now we've stuck that down. And this one I'm going to use different colour. I'm going to actually use a black ink just to edge it. As you can see, the edging on that just adds to it. It just looks like a different piece of paper altogether. It doesn't look so plain. And we're just going to stick that again up higher than before. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our stamp. This one has Merry Christmas on it. It's actually this stamp here. I've already set it up because I wanted to make sure it was perfectly lined up. And we're going to place this just sort of here, just sort of there. But we're going to do it in black and gold. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a bit of gold and we're going to press the gold stamp onto the plate. Then we are going to place this as central as we can and press down quite nicely. Now you can see that that's not very visible. Because I have a plan, So I've cleaned the stamp and now we're going to pick up some of this black ink and then we press that down on top of the other Merry Christmas, and there we go. We've now got Merry Christmas and it's got like sort of a shadowed in the gold. So I have some embellishments to put on. I'm going to stick this one here and this one here. I just really like the aesthetic of the silver with the gold. I also think it's really Christmassy, nice and shiny. So what we're going to do, we have a scrap piece of card. I'm going to lie these down on top of the scrap piece of card, like so. And I have some of this heavy duty spray adhesive, and it's much easier to do it this way. Then we're going to take it and just place it where we want it. So that is your Christmas card made. You can do lots of different things with your envelope, but I have some stamps which I like to just decorate the outside. I'm just going to use the back of the ink pad, and I'm just going to use this stamp, which I will show you how it comes out now, like so. So it looks like an actual postage stamp. Is this line stamp, which I can just add just by eyeing it up, just 3 little lines, which I'm going to let dry, and they are just literally just to add to the card. I hope you enjoyed that video. This is the card I made, and I will be sending this to a lovely member of my family very soon and ready for Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!